Hey kids, let's see how to change the desktop background or wallpaper on a computer. So just write this owl is my background right now on my desktop. Now I need to just right click anywhere on the desktop and select the personalize options. See the personalize option over here? You need to select the personalize option and the settings open in front of you. Now you have this option background over here. In the background option, you have a drop down menu. When you click on this, you have three options: picture, solid color or slideshow. In a picture, when you select a picture, you can select any picture of your choice to put it as a desktop background or wallpaper on your desktop. If you want to select a solid color, you can select one solid color and that will be your desktop background or wallpaper. If you select a slideshow, then you will have to select a folder in which more than two or more pictures are stored, and all these pictures will be shown on your desktop one by one after a interval. So let's see first how to change a picture as a wallpaper or how to put a picture as a wallpaper. So click on picture. Now we have so many different pictures. If I want to browse, I can browse to my pictures also. You can put your image also as a background. You can create a wallpaper and then put it as a background. It all depends on you. Now let's select some pictures. Okay, so I have a picture over here. See this one. Okay, suppose I like this picture and I want to keep this as a background. So I'll select this and then see over here there is an option, choose a fit. So in that there are few options: fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, span. So you can select the most suitable option the way you want it. You can try out different things and see how the wallpaper changes on your screen. So this is your time to be creative and try different new things. So I'll select a fit option and then once I'm done, now let's see. When I minimize this, see my desktop background has been changed like this. Now let's select something else. In the fit, suppose I select fill, then let's see if I minimize, the desktop background or wallpaper has filled the whole screen. So this is how you can try and change your wallpaper the way you want it.